guys! So today we're here to talk to you about prepping your skates for competition. Especially if you wear this skate made by EDEA like we do. There are some pointers that we've got for you to clean up those skates, especially if you compete showcase. If you're doing an event or a program where you don't use boot covers and your skates are exposed and you want them to look their best, right? Okay, so let's begin. Here's what we use. We use skate polish, skate paint that's actually made by EDEA for our particular skates. Justin has the black, I have the tan, and they do also make them in the different shades of white for the other makes of EDEA. But I use a showgirl skate, and that's the only one that they make that is tan. So, let's get started.
So we'll put a link in the comments below that you can go to purchase this. It says it's Shake Well, made in Italy. Alright, let's get started.
Alright, so a couple different ways that you can apply this polish. You can wear a glove and dip your finger. Here, why don't you demonstrate that? If you don't have a glove and you just want to use your finger, this stuff washes off really easy with water.
There's a brush that comes with it too.
Yeah.
You can do it that way too.
It's kind of small. I prefer my finger or a little bit of a
I'll do it this way.
Bigger brush. But this works too.
Aaron can demonstrate the other way. I'll do it this way. I'm going to actually use the brush. Paint over those defects.
Did you show it before? It's not looking good. We do a lot of knee slides, drag our boots along the ice. So this is what ends up happening. We'll sit here. Mine is especially worn. We'll repair that in just a minute.
It looks like what comes out of here is just a little bit of time. So if you have those white areas, in my case, it's a black boot, so I'm gonna have these white areas of defect where it's been damaged, and so I'm just gonna paint over those. But basically you're not gonna try to paint the whole boot one even shade. When it dries,
it'll match perfectly.
Yeah, so I don't have any defects, so I think I covered it up there. On this side, usually, yeah, I have defects here. I'm not sure, probably because of knee slides or something like that, but right at the tip there, it's gonna match. But yeah, this is not meant to cover the entire boot, just the areas of defect, and that's pretty much it. Yeah,
what you can do is let this dry several hours and go over it with another coat. Okay. That's what I do, especially with my right skate. This is the one I guess I tend to favor or drag when I'm doing knee slides or knee spin or sliding down into a split. Yeah, that's what happens. So usually I end up doing this at least a few times a year or before a big competition like nationals, showcase nationals, unless you're wearing boot covers, and I do that a lot. So like I said, you can use the glove, you can use your finger, you can use a brush. Paintbrush. Also very good to keep wet wipes with you. Like to paint mine on. Again, the look right now is like wet paint and like bumpy. But when it dries, it becomes a perfect match. What helps smooth it out for me, like I was telling Justin, is a second coat. So after mine dries, I will wait a little bit, wait a couple hours, and then I will put one more coat on.
So it looks like, do you have any defects in this sole area here? I was just going over the boot itself right here, as you can see, but there might be some scratches or visible defects in the soil area. You can cover that with this too. For me, it's the same color, black. Stitches really well so that it's all black again.
Mine goes all the way up to the side of the boot. I don't need to go further though because the rest of the boot is in perfect condition. How'd your glove work out? Oh, okay, you used the little paintbrush? I love this. This is just like a paintbrush you get at an art store or at a Target in the art section. Maybe that like kids would use.
So we won't do both boots here. We're just kind of demonstrating and we'll talk about what to do after you get the paint on. We're gonna put some kind of a sealant or something like that.
Yes.
Polish.
This was a tip given to me by a coach, and what you want to do is just get nail polish, clear coat, which is also called top coat. So like if you just get your nails done at the salon, they probably go over it with some type of top coat, which is usually clear. So you'll want to do that once your boot is dry. And if you want that second coat, let the first one dry, let the second one dry, and then apply the top coat. All the ladies out there, I'm sure you already have this. So,
okay, I guess that's it. Right?
That is it. Our skates are going to be competition ready.
So we'll put links to these products in the comments section or the description section. And if you want to see more videos like this, smash that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, lastly, always take off your guards or your soakers before you start this project.
Bye now.